How to turn off Auto Enhance on iPhone photos. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your settings. Here we go. Now scroll down. Navigate to the option of photos. Once you find the option, open it. Now scroll down. Now in this page, you're going to find the option of View Full SDR. You have to toggle off for that option. Once you disable for that option, hit back. Then open this option of Camera. Now scroll down. You will see this option of Prioritize Faster Shooting. Toggle on for it. Then toggle off for the option of Smart SDR. Then scroll up. Now here you're going to see this option, Use Volume Up for Burst. Enable for this option. Now you have to use your volume up button when you click photos, and just for that you have disabled Auto Enhance on your iPhone. Likewise, another thing you can do is close this, launch your camera app, enable for this live mode. After you enable live mode, now you can take a picture, then hit towards the picture that you have taken, then click on the option of edit, click on live. Now here you're going to find different picture modes, and with this you can bypass the Auto Enhance mode on iPhone. Well, this is how you can turn off Auto Enhance on iPhone photos. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.